Aman, what are you doing? Are you digging something?
No, I'm just making cement.
What you are making? Can you just say in the camera?
There's so much sunset.
And what you found?
Nothing, I'm making a
Hmm?
road. I'm making a road.
You're making a road.
Yes, with water dropped inside.
Why you need a water in the road?
To make cement.
Oh. Don't too much. Don't put too much. Can you say hi? Hi to everyone.
Hi guys.
That's a bull. Can you say?
I think this is a short bottle.
Yeah. But you have to say hi now. By your
Hi,
hands like
everyone.
this, like this. Hi, myself, Aman.
Hi, my name is Aman.